So you're here to make money online, but don't think. But let me ask you a question here. Let's say if you are in the real world, right? And
yeah,
if you wish to reach a certain destination, right? Let's
yeah,
say you are at point A, okay? And you
yeah,
need to go at point C, right?
okay, so, yeah,
That means that you have to basically, from point A, you have to walk, walk, and walk, and reach point B, right? Then
yeah,
again,
B,
you have to, walk and walk
oh,
and walk and walk to reach point C, right?
yeah,
If you don't walk, that means if you don't walk, that means you are not moving, right?
mm,
In
yeah,
the same
yeah,
way, and let's say point C is the destination, whereas your shop or your uh, place where you can make money, right? In the same way,
yeah,
this walk, walk in the digital world is the steps you implement daily to
yeah,
achieve, to reach point C. Reach point C. You getting my point, right? Like
yeah, I'm good.
creating an account in bank. Right? That's a walk one, right? Walk one or
Yeah,
step one, right? Step one equals to walk one, right? Creating a campaign in bank. That's step two, walk two, right?
yeah,
You getting my point? Until
yeah,
and
yeah,
unless you don't walk, that means implement, you won't make a single dollar.
yeah,
Remember one thing.
sure,
See, there is no secret. Secret of making money online. Okay. So who are super affiliates? Super affiliates are the people who walk the most, who implement the most. Trust me. These are the people who are the super affiliates.
yeah,
Like I have created this training. I have created this membership course, right?
mm,
And only I have reached a level of mentor, right? But before creating that course, I had to learn it myself, implement it myself, right? And make it very simple to understand for everyone, right? So I had to walk a lot and implement it, right? So
yeah,
remember one thing, you are not going to make a single dollar if you don't walk equals to implement. In digital marketing, implementation right? You might face account bans, you might face, some resistance from platforms, etc., etc., right? But I have taken care of these
yeah,
things, right? I have explained how to avoid these things at your best, right? So,
yeah,
so, so you have the right knowledge to work now, right? Makes sense.
yeah,
So,
yeah,
so you need to learn, and in order to implement all these things, see, if you want to become a good digital marketer, right? You need to learn how to create good professional and simple landing pages. Okay. Two, you need to learn how to create good good graphics. Okay. Three, you need to learn how to create good ad copies. Okay. You need to learn how to be organized. Like I explained you how to be organized using Trello, right? You need to, you know, same equals to control, control, control your own work ethic. Because when we become our own boss, and if we get lazy, there's no one to tell us that we got lazy, right? So you need to be accountable. You need to be responsible for your own actions. Responsible for
yeah,
your own actions, right? Like let's say if I would have not shown up on this call, there's nobody to blame me or tell me that you did not show up, right? Because I am the top boss here, right?
yeah,
You being my
yeah,
student, you can't forcefully tell me, right? Except complaining, right? But if I keep
mm,
doing this, if I keep not showing up on my calls with my students, I will lose credibility, right? And
sure,
after some time, I will lose my reputation, right? So this is called, controlling your
yeah,
own work ethic. Like if
ethics,
I need to show up today, I either I have to show up, or if I'm not able to show up, I need to tell my student that this can we reschedule, or maybe if I'm not showing up on time, I have to inform them, okay, can we just reschedule after certain amount of time? That's called professional work ethic, being responsible for your own actions. Okay, so um, learning landing pages, then you need to learn email marketing, then you need to learn, you know, building an email list, and you need to learn email marketing, right? See, these are the core things. Like, I'm not saying that you will start making money by learning all these things. No, these are the core things just to walk, okay? Just to
yeah,
walk. I'm not saying that you will make money after learning these things. No, these are just walking things. But when you keep doing all of these things again and again, like walk, 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 right?
yes,
Walk, walk, walk. When you keep doing these things, right? Keep building, campaigns, keep building, or like creating an ad campaign on Bing and Google. Okay. Now, creating an ad campaign on Bing and Google is not a single line, right? Single step. There are lots of things that you have to do in order to do that, right? Pick up an offer, pick up an offer, right? Research keywords, research keywords, research ad copies, right? And research ad copies, then decide a budget, right? Have your landing page ready, right? Landing page ready. Have your thank you page ready, right? Have your email sequence ready, right? Check your funnel, test your funnel to avoid any broken links, right? Test your funnel at least 2 times, right? Funnel at least 2 times to avoid any broken links, right? And then add it to the thing as campaign, right? And then just walk, right? Make sense? See, these things are going to make you money research. Remember, okay? Learning these things will just make you strong enough to stand up, but you have to walk. When I say walk in the digital context, I mean test, right? Implement, and test, and keep doing this. You're getting my point? Keep doing this, right? When you keep doing this, you will become strong. You will be able to understand how things work, right? And then you will start getting results. Your goal should never be initially. It's when you're a newbie. Your goal should never be to make $1,000. No.
Yeah.
Your goal should be to develop the skills and polish them as much as so that it becomes part of your bloodstream. You're getting my point, right? When you develop the skills and make these skills as part of your bloodstream, this walk will become easy, okay? And then you will be able to make money online. Frankly speaking, making money online involves just 3 things. Step 1, pick up an offer. Step 2, create a funnel. When I say funnel, I mean a landing page, a thank you page, an email sequence, right? Okay. Step 3, and send traffic to that funnel, maybe 1,000 to 5,000 clicks. 3 steps, that's it. But picking up an offer, okay, it could be not that difficult. Creating a funnel is the part where you have to learn all these things. Okay, these all things involve creating a funnel. Make sense? Then sending traffic to that funnel involves doing all these things, right? And when you run, at least you will get good at ad campaigns when you run at least, let's say, when you run at least 25 to 50, failed campaign or break-even campaign, right? Then you will be able to understand how this works, right? But I have given you the solutions on how to collect data, right? Collect data, right? Using the tracker that we are using in our training, right? So if you run these kind of campaigns, you will be able to collect data on what's working and what's not. Makes sense, right? So these won't be failed campaigns, but these would be like data collection campaigns, right? Make sense? Make sense, right? Like when you're walking, and like there's one person who's doing walk without a map, and there's another person who's doing the walk with a map. So you are the person with a map, right? So these are the things that make you an online research. Okay. That being said, this is I would like to stop talking on this.